Success. Today, I got my City of Stockton business license. Now, I'm doing a renovation on a property downtown Stockton, and I was going for I'm going for a facade improvement grant. In order to get the grant, you got to get a business license, right? We had to do a lot. I actually had to jump through a few hoops to get this license. That's what we're doing to get a facade improvement grant. Now, in order to start construction on our project, we have to get a set of approved plans to turn the building from a hotel to housing. So when you're doing a major rehab project or an adaptive reuse, turning the use from one thing to another, like hotel to apartments, you got to go through the city, got to jump through some hoops, you got to get your plans and your permits. So I just wanted to share that with y'all a little bit. It's a lot of work to do when you're out here putting in work, building housing for the community. Standing in front of downtown Stockton's waterfront, you see the Stockton Arena and the Waterfront Hotel. A lot of people don't even know that Stockton has a waterfront area, and the city is putting a lot of money into redeveloping this whole area. A little hidden gem. Just wanted to let y'all know. You might want to tap in and see what's going on down here, because there's a lot of growth and development, and you got to get in early to really benefit from it. Just saying, holla at your boy, man, if you want to tap in on what's going on downtown Stockton.